Coach Will here, and in this video we're going to talk about intermediate front lever progressions. So what you're about to see here is a progression from our standard tucked lever into a semi-straddle lever. So if I slow down this clip here, what you're going to notice is that I'm going to enter a semi-straddle position. So what I'm doing is I'm slightly opening my legs, trying to maintain that scapular protraction and depression, and I'm also maintaining leveled hips. I'm going to do this a couple of times just so you could see the actual difference with each of the positions as well. Of course, once you finish this set, you want to go into nice, smooth, and controlled dismount just like you see here. Tucking it back in and then finishing that set. What you're about to see is a second set when I set up here, and you're going to see how the carryover will be from the semi-straddle to a full straddle. So to start, you want to get into the traditional tucked variation, one knee at a time. In the second set, you'll see I also do a better job of keeping my hips in a much better position. Now, there's a lot of wiggle room to play around with just how wide your semi-straddle is. If you find that doing this wide is too difficult, you could bring it in and tad and get the same benefits. And as you can see here, it's a seamless transition from that position to a full straddle position as well. And then you can always regress right back to the semi-straddle. And as always, just be sure to follow the prescribed time under tension for the semi-straddle position and play around with different foot positions.